How are we all doing? I hope you're keeping well out there. So today I thought we'd have a look at something a little bit different. Well, different for people over here. It's an Arvin AA5, All American 5. And as you can see, it's in a bit of a jock. I got this a long time ago. To be honest with you, it's kicking around that long. I don't know how long I have it. I could have it 10 years. Never did anything with it, of course. I don't think it ever seen use over here because it's still got the old American plug on her. I don't think it's being modified or anything like that to work over here. So I was gonna see if we could get it to go. So we're gonna get it out of the cabinet and have a look at it and see what happens. As you can see, someone went to a lot of effort with it. They painted it. It's to be honest, it looks a lot better on the phone. It does in real life. It's gotten a bit of an old spray job at some stage. You can see the cabinet's actually cracked there. That's not great. It's hard about hiding to nothing. Those knobs don't look right either. So yeah, I think I'll get it out of the cabinet and we'll have a closer look at it. Alright, so we're out of the box. We're out of the box. We can see that someone's gone to, well, these knobs are not original, obviously. They certainly don't look original. You can see the original spline there. They had the splined knobs. So someone's gone to a lot of effort on this side. Look, they've cut a shaft off like a volume pot or something, and they've cut one side of this shaft to try and extend this, and then they've wrapped wire around it and soldered it. It's loose, but it's there. So someone was trying to tart this up, obviously, and then I don't know, lost interest with it, or realised they couldn't use it over here or something like that. There's a little dial bulb in it as well. Let's have a look underneath and see what we can see or not see. Frame aerial as well, of course. Zenith electrolytic capacitor. A few paper caps. Another electrolytic there. There's not a whole lot in these yokes. They're just a very simple radio. I think they're an RCA design originally, and then crowds will pay RCA royalties to use their circuit. But the AA5 and the AA6 were very popular cheap radios in America. So I suppose I'll get it on the Verdiac and wind it up. So I'll set up a thing here so I can measure the HT as I'm winding it up. See what happens. Right, I'm going to start winding it up on the Verdiac now, and we'll see do we get on. 70 volts. You can see the dial bulbs just starting to light up. No HT yet. The other thing to remember with these is the chassis is isolated from ground. Just something to be aware of. Unlike our AC/DC sets here, where the chassis will be tied into one side of the mains. Still no sign of HT. We should do. We're up full whack now. The rectifier appears to be not lit, which is strange. I wonder if the heater gone short circuit at the base in it. We'll knock it off, pop it out and have a look. Well, I'm getting a reading about 30 ohms on it, which is probably about right, but I'll stick another one in just to say, because it should light up. Okay, so here's the trick. I can't find a 35Z5 anywhere. I know I have one, but can't put my hand on it. So I'm going to stick a 1N4007 in across it, and we'll use that. Okay, I've tacked in a 1N4007, real nice like in there. So we're going to see what happens now. And we put the valve back in because we know the valve has heater continuity, even though it's not lighting up. So it's keeping the chain intact. We know that because we read it on our meter. It's reading about 30-40 ohms across the heater pins. And also that the other valves are lighting up. So we'll leave him in place to do his thing. And we just have the diode then across it. So let's see what happens this time round. Make sure that's switched on. Right. Oh, we've HT this time. I can hear a hum on the speaker this time too. Okay, it's doing something. Don't mind the negative reading on the meter. I have the leads on the wrong way around. Input is bang on 120. Yeah, can't see it from there. Anyway. Definitely something there, alright, in the background. Let's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the outdoor antenna area, well I'll say antenna for this one, to it via an isolating cap here. I'm gonna go onto the frame area and see does that help. I don't know how sensitive these things are in real life. That seems to wake her up a bit. That's Spirit Radio. So it is working, it's just not very sensitive. I wonder has it got that silver mica disease they talk about. The IFs are stuck solid on it too. I don't think I'll go much further with this. I don't think it's really worth doing. I'll just keep it as a curiosity. But it does go. So that was kind of interesting. I wonder how it ended up in Ireland. Bit of an odd one. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that for now. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Good luck for now. Bye bye.